Ever wondered how to make a healthy pasta meal in just 15 minutes? Welcome to a journey that will take you from raw ingredients to a delicious, nutritious pasta dish in no time at all. Our step-by-step guide will not only show you how to create this meal quickly, but also how to pack it full of health benefits. This isn't just about speed, it's about creating a meal that's good for you and tastes great. So, stay tuned to learn how to whip up this quick, healthy pasta dish. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll start with whole grain pasta, a great source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. It provides lasting energy and keeps you feeling full longer. Next is the extra virgin olive oil, a heart-healthy fat that enhances the flavor of our dish and aids in the absorption of nutrients. For our veggies, we'll need fresh tomatoes, spinach, and bell peppers. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, spinach packs a punch with iron and calcium, and bell peppers are a great source of vitamins A and C, promoting eye health and boosting the immune system. We'll also need garlic and onions for that extra kick of flavor. Both are known for their immune-boosting properties and can help reduce inflammation. Now, for protein, we're using lean chicken breast. It's low in fat, high in protein, and an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. To season, we'll use salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a bit of heat. These seasonings not only enhance the flavor of the dish, but also have their own health benefits. For instance, black pepper aids digestion and chili flakes can speed up metabolism. Lastly, we're adding fresh basil for garnish. Basil isn't just for show, it's also packed with vitamins and has anti-inflammatory properties. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Start by boiling water for the pasta. Now, the first step in our culinary journey is to set a pot of water on the stove. Crank up the heat and let the water come to a rolling boil. This is the perfect environment for our pasta to cook in. While the water is prepping, let's take our pasta. You can choose any type you prefer, whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne. The choice is yours. Once the water is boiling, add a hefty pinch of salt. This is going to season our pasta from within, enhancing its flavor. Next, drop in the pasta. Stir it around a bit to prevent it from sticking. Depending on your pasta, the cooking time might vary. However, we are aiming for an al dente texture, firm to the bite, but not hard. This usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. While our pasta is dancing in the boiling water, let's turn our attention to the sauce. We'll begin by heating up some olive oil in a pan. Olive oil is not only a healthier choice, but it also adds a unique depth of flavor. Once the oil is hot, add in the garlic. Let it sizzle for a few seconds, but be careful not to burn it. Once you can smell the aromatic garlic, it's time to add in the tomatoes. The tomatoes are the star of our sauce, providing a delicious tanginess that will complement our pasta perfectly. Cook them down until they're soft and juicy, releasing all their wonderful flavors into the oil. This might take about 5 minutes. Add some salt and pepper to taste, and remember, you can always adjust the seasoning later. The key here is timing. You want to have your sauce ready just as your pasta is finishing up in the boiling water. This way, the pasta can go straight from the pot into the sauce, soaking up all those delicious flavors. While the pasta is cooking, we can move on to the next steps. Scene script. Next, heat up a pan for the vegetables. It's time to add some color to our dish. Choose a pan that's big enough to accommodate all our veggies comfortably. Once the pan is heated, add a splash of olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up, but be careful not to let it smoke. Now, introduce your chosen vegetables to the pan. We're aiming for a vibrant sauté here, not a subdued simmer. Keep those veggies moving in the pan, a bit of a toss and stir to ensure even cooking. You'll soon notice the colors becoming more vibrant, a clear sign they're cooking nicely. As the veggies sizzle and dance in the pan, it's time to add our herbs and spices. Remember, these are not just for flavor, but also bring their own health benefits. For instance, garlic is known for its potential heart health benefits, while herbs like basil and oregano are packed with antioxidants. Sprinkle these in and let the heat do its magic. The warmth releases the essential oils in the herbs and spices, infusing our vegetables with their delightful aromas and flavors. Now, here's an important tip. We want to sauté our veggies, not steam them. So, make sure the heat is high enough to evaporate any water released by the vegetables. This will keep them from getting soggy and will preserve their delightful crunch. Also, remember not to overcook these beauties. Overcooking not only robs vegetables of their vibrant colors but can also lead to a loss of nutrients. We want our dish to be as nutritious as it is delicious. So aim for a tender, crisp texture. And voila, our vegetables are sautéed to perfection. They've retained their nutritional value, their colors are popping, and they're infused with the wonderful flavors of our herbs and spices. With our vegetables sautéed to perfection, we are ready for the next step. Now, it's time to bring everything together. With the pasta cooked to al dente perfection and our vegetables sautéed just right, we're ready to merge these elements into a harmonious medley of flavors. Start by transferring the drained pasta into the pan with our sautéed vegetables. It's important to do this while everything is still hot so that the flavors can meld together. Now, gently toss the pasta and veggies, ensuring each strand gets coated with the flavorful oils and juices from the vegetables. Next, we pour in our homemade sauce. Made from a blend of fresh tomatoes, aromatic herbs, and a hint of chili for some kick, this sauce will transform our dish into a vibrant and healthful meal. As it cascades down, watch as it seeps into every nook and cranny, enveloping the pasta and vegetables in its tangy goodness. Now comes the stirring. This step is crucial, as it helps to distribute the sauce evenly across all the ingredients. Use a pair of tongs or a large spatula and mix with an over and under motion. This technique helps the sauce integrate seamlessly, without breaking the pasta or mashing the vegetables. Remember, the art of combining doesn't just involve mixing everything together haphazardly. It's about ensuring that each ingredient, each flavor gets its moment in the spotlight while contributing to the overall symphony of tastes. As we stir, we'll notice the colors blending, the sauce thickening, and the aroma intensifying. This is the magic of combining, where individual elements surrender their identities to become part of something greater, something deliciously healthy. Finally, we'll add a handful of freshly chopped herbs for a pop of freshness and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy, nutty flavor. This not only adds another layer of complexity to our dish, but also boosts its nutritional value, making our pasta meal not just tasty, but also incredibly healthful. And just like that, our healthy pasta meal is almost ready. With just a few final touches, we'll be ready to dig into this quick, nutritious, and utterly satisfying meal. For the finishing touches, we'll add some garnish. The magic lies in the details, and garnishing your dish is like putting the cherry on top of a sundae. For our healthy pasta, we're going to use a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon. The parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also provides a fresh, bright flavor that complements the pasta perfectly. The lemon, on the other hand, gives a tangy twist, elevating the overall taste of the dish. Now, let's take a moment to recap the journey we've embarked on to create this delicious, health-packed pasta dish. We started off with the freshest ingredients, whole grain pasta, lean protein, and a rainbow of vegetables. We then moved on to the cooking process, where we sautéed our ingredients to perfection, ensuring that each element retained its nutritional value while also contributing to the harmony of flavors. We finally brought everything together, combining our cooked pasta with the sautéed veggies and protein, and tossing it all in a light, healthy sauce. The result? A nutritious, hearty pasta dish that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also contributes to your overall health. And let's not forget the health benefits. Whole grain pasta, rich in fiber, aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. The lean protein, whether it's chicken, tofu, or beans, helps build and repair tissues, while the vegetables provide a wealth of vitamins and minerals necessary for your body's optimal function. But the real beauty of this dish lies in its versatility. You can easily swap out ingredients based on your personal preference or dietary needs, making it a go-to recipe for everyone in the family. In the span of just 15 minutes, we've managed to whip up a meal that's not just easy and quick, but also packed with nutrition. And the best part? It's incredibly delicious too. There you have it, a healthy, delicious pasta meal in just 15 minutes. Enjoy your meal.